IPL stands for the Intense Pulse Light Laser, and it's actually not a laser, it's really just a light therapy treatment. And what IPL treats, pretty much when people have red and brown discoloration, which comes with aging, with sun exposure. For women, it comes sometimes during pregnancy or with being on the birth control pill or with any other hormonally intense time in their life. And especially for women, when they're going through a pregnancy or hormone changes and they're out in the sun a lot, there can be a lot of changes in the color of your face, neck, and chest. And again, it's mostly browns and reds that we see. So we can treat generalized redness, we can treat redness that comes with rosacea, which is a very common skin problem. We can treat a lot of the brown discoloration, like kind of the flat, round, like, superficial brown discolorations that people will get them on their arms, legs, really everywhere, but on face, neck, and chest, people become really self-conscious of those brown spots, which we call sunspots. People think of them as age spots, we call them sunspots. And also there are some hormonal changes, something called melasma, which women get kind of a mask of pregnancy with a lot of brown discoloration, sometimes a brown pigmentation on their upper lip. This can occur in very young women, and it's really disturbing to women. So this IPL treatment can treat all of those browns and reds. And pretty much anybody who's had any exposure from the sun can benefit from this laser. I mean, I would say this is probably one of the greatest things that we do with this practice, other than treating skin cancer and, treating medical conditions. I mean, almost anybody who's been in the sun or has had 1 or 2 sunburns during their life is going to get some generalized redness in their skin, some broken blood vessels, and some brown spots in their face. And some people don't really mind, that it doesn't make a big difference in their lives, but for some people, it's really a source of embarrassment. It makes them feel like they're aging too quickly. They look in the mirror and think that they look old. They can't stand their appearance. Some people can even have 1 brown spot and they will do anything to get rid of this brown spot. So the IPL laser basically helps your skin kind of break up that pigmentation and it sort of sloughs off. Or for the redness, it helps to kind of shrink down little blood vessels in the skin so that you appear more even. The laser evens out skin tone. And I don't want to say it makes people look a lot younger, but it really does. It really takes a lot of the effects of the sun away, which kind of bothers a lot of people. So anyone with red and brown discoloration in their face, neck, or chest, and now we're starting to do arms. I have one patient whose legs I'm treating sunspots for, and that's pretty much, so anybody really over age 20. I mean, I've had a number of patients, I'd say between the ages of 20, maybe 70 or 75, who get this done, and really after that we can do it as well. But that seems to be the age group who comes in and is really bothered by skin discoloration.